Dear students, welcome to the second part of the lecture on homophones or words often confused. Now let's moving on to the first pair of homophone, that is emigrant, that means one who leaves his country, and second is immigrant, that means person living in a foreign country. Now let's see the application in the sentence. The owner of this house is an immigrant from France. And second one, that of immigrant, the immigrants do not have same rights as the citizens. Then moving on to second pair of homophone, honorary, that means office position with no pay. Then honorable, worthy of honor. Now let's see their usage. I am honorary member of this council, and Mr. Sharma is honorable chief guest of this function. Then third one, human, relating to humankind. Then humane, having compassion or benevolence. Now let's see their usage. We all are humans, and of humane, there are rules for humane treatment of animals. Then moving on to the next, industrial, that means relating to industry, and industrious, that means hard working. Now let's see their usage. This is our new industrial policy. Then Sita is an industrious student, that means Sita is a hard working student. Now moving on to next, letter. Letter means written or printed message. Then below that is later, that is the comparative degree of late. Then below that is later, that means coming after. Now let's see the sentence. Letter, I have written letter to the minister. Then let's see usage of later. Ram reached the college later than I. Then let's see the usage of letter. Among Ram and Mohan, the letter is more clever. Now we have to be very careful in using all the three words, letter, and letter, because there is a minute difference between spelling as well as pronunciation. So we have to remember the spelling as well as the pronunciation and its origin and usage. Now moving on to sixth, quite, that means completely. Then again quite, here it means silence. There is only minute difference between the two. QUITE, that is completely. Then QUIET, that means silence or calm or tranquil. Now let's see its usage. It is quite out of question. Then moving on to second, quite. All the students were quiet. Okay, moving on to next, pray. Pray means invoking God. Then prey, an animal hunted by another. Here the spelling is PREY, prey. Okay, now let's see its usage. The whole family will be praying. And let's see usage of prey, PREY. An animal, small birds prey on insects. Okay, moving on to next, peace. Peace means part. And here second word, peace, 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 here means calm or tranquility. Now let's see its usage. This is a piece of bread. Then second word, village life is peaceful. Okay, moving on to next, principal, head of a school or college. And then below that is principal, PRINCIPLE, principal, that means concept or an idea. Okay, now let's see its usage. Dr. D.D. Prushti is principal of our college. And below that, principal, honesty is the best principal. Okay, moving on to next, practice. PRACTICE, here practice is used as a noun, that means use of an idea. And below that is PRACTISE, here practice is used as a verb, That means to perform an activity. Now let's see its usage in the sentence. First, practice makes a man perfect. And the second one, the verb one, Mohan practiced music every day. Okay, moving on to next, root. Root here means part of plant below soil. Then second is route, root. That means way from one place to another. Now let's see the sentence. The root of the tree is very strong. And the second root, route, we should take the shortest route possible to the Raipur. Okay, this concludes the chapter words often confused or homophones. And please students, everyone, please practice and also make sentences, make different sentences of these words. Then only you will be able to have the primary concept, primary difference between these homophones. Okay, thank you.